dinosaur that seemed left here on the bedroom floor, replaced by the toys and T-Rex, Jitsu and Mutant. The things you watched and listened to change with time and your point of view. There's still hope to see in your heart and come to life. The ceremony, someone dies and comes on screen. You reassess what this all means. It brings you back to a time and place. You thought you'd lost in the mistless space. Back when you were above your grave, you shining light and good to fame. Did you that you needed way more pushing to your emotions? But your point starts to fail. Time to change that boulder's tail. A blip starts taking on the trail. You think that I'm you again. They don't notice you at all. Your invaders start to fall. Agents start taking your cars. Taxman has you by law. You feel just like that dinosaur. Discarded on your bedroom floor. But there were times you held the light. Did you let it fade it out of fire? On the wall, gather dust along the hall. You thought you seemed to never end. You couldn't see what's round the bend. Was it fate or complacency, creeping in, destroying dreams? The dust still thick as you walk your touch. You fell sad on left in a rush. You can read the auto cue, and there's no time to retrain you. You thought it was part of the act. 1,000 deaths you reenact. You feel just like a dinosaur that no one sees or gives you lore. Now you need the biggest searchlight, trying to find how you'll survive. The only time they ask for you is to come on what happened to you. Sometimes they stop you in the street when you show up on a repeat. Those contracts that they had you sign, sure that the pockets were lined. You make sure that your family's fine, and selling up when the price is right. Though it could use some pain, if you would have stitch your name, but every neck and blemish found, the testament that makes you proud. And they call you the dinosaur, reveling your rise and fall. The best of luck when lights go out. No one's left to scream and shout.